Students, how are you? Today we will discuss 10th class math chapter number 8, part number 3, or you can say exercise 8.1. Question number 1 yesterday told, all are easy in this exercise according to me able to show, but I can tell. Question number 2, figure given, this type of figure given. This type of figure given, P, Q, R, this angle is given 90 degree. So this is 12 centimeter, this is 13 centimeter. So you have to find out first QR. Pythagoras theorem you know, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So first you have to decide which is base. If angle you are taking P this, so this is your perpendicular. So we are taking according to this, later on we can show H square minus B square is equal to P square. So what is this? H square 13 169 minus 12 144 is equal to P square. P square is equal to what? QR. So how much left? 25 is equal to QR square. So what is QR? 5 plus minus 5 coming, but length is always positive. This is 5. So now easily you can find out what's the value of tangent P. Tangent P is equal to what? P is this opposite to perpendicular, 5 by 12. Cotangent of R, which is equal to 1 of tangent of R. So what's the tangent of R? This angle. So it's opposite to what? Perpendicular. So perpendicular by what? Base. So 12 5 going upsides, it's become. So therefore tangent P minus cotangent of R is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, which is equal to 0. Understood? Second question. Third question. Sine of A is equal to 3 by 4. One triangle given, this type of triangle. This angle is A. Understood? You can take PQR. And sine is always equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this is opposite to this perpendicular. So this is what? 3, hypotenuse is 4. So you have to find out what? So this QR is equal to under the root PR square minus PQ square is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 1 root 7. So find out what? Cos of A. Cos of A mean what? QR by PR. QR on root 7 by 4. Tangent of A, perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is 3, base is root 7. So this is the answer of this. By applying same way you can solve question number 4 also. Understood? Some idea about question number 5 I am giving. This is also same as question number 3. You have to find out, it's given secant theta equal to 13 by 12. Secant is equal to what? We know secant theta equal to 1 by cos is equal to 13 by 12. This implies cos theta is equal to 12 by 13. Find out all other trigonometric ratios. It's meaning you have to find out sin theta, cos theta, this, what, secant theta given, cosecant theta, tangent theta, cotangent theta. So easily you can find out. I am giving idea about this. This angle is theta, this is P, Q, R. So this is the base. You know cos is equal to base by hypotenuse. This is 12 and this is 3. If you can find out this, what's coming? 5 coming. So remaining trigonometric ratio easily you can find out. Understood or not? If any problem, tell me, I can tell you. So what's given? Question number 6 in the form of example also given to you, but I can tell again. It's given angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, so that A equal to B. So you are having what? You are having two triangles. Which triangle? ABC, having this angle name is what? A. Understood? Another triangle PQR, what's PQR, and it's this angle is B, and it's given cos of A equal to cos of B. What is cos of A? Cos of A is base BC pi AC, cos of B QR by PR. This implies BC by AC is equal to QR by PR. This we can write like this: BC by QR is equal to AC by PR is equal to K. Understood? So first taking BC by QR equal to K, this implies BC equal to KQR. Understood? Similarly, AC equal to KPR. So we have to find out what now? We have to find out what? AC we have to find out. AC. What is AC? AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is PR? PR is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Put value these here. So AC become under the root K square PQ square plus QR square. K is coming outside. This is PQ plus square plus QR square. Now AC by PR is equal to K under the root PQ square. AC is equal to this plus QR square by under the root PQ square plus QR square. Cancel out. Therefore AC by PR equal to K. Therefore BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Sorry, wrong written this taken AC already given, so we have to find out what? We have to find out AB in place of this. Sorry, again I am telling this. AB we have to find out. So AB is equal to under the root AC square minus BC square. Understood? And PQ is equal to under the root PR square minus QR square. AC equal to what? KPR. So AB equal to under the root K square PR square minus QR square. Therefore AB by PQ is equal to K coming outside, PR square minus QR square by this PR square minus QR square cancel equal to K. Therefore what? BC by QR is equal to AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to K. Hence, triangle, which triangle? BCA is similar to triangle QRP. Hence, what? Angle A equal to angle B. Understood? So this understood. This written from, this is also okay, no problem in it, but this is already given, so again need not be find out. Understood? So which now easily you can understood. Question number 7, exercise 8.1. It's given cotangent of theta equal to 7 by 8. So this you can say 1 by tangent theta equal to 7 by 8, or this implies tangent theta equal to 8 by 7. Triangle make, theta is the angle, and you know tangent theta is perpendicular by base, so its opposite side is perpendicular. This is 8 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. So find out this. So we know PR square is equal to under the root PQ square plus QR square. So is equal to 64 plus 49 is equal to how much? 113. This coming if square is this. So now you can find out what. So first case given, easily you can solve 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. You can solve this question by two ways. One is this, directly you can find out the value of sin theta, put here, to find out the value of cos theta, put here, then solve. Another way is this is become 1 minus sin square theta, this is 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus sin. You can solve by this also, but this property you don't know up to now, so later on I can tell. So you can put value, find out the value of sin theta. Sin theta is equal to, you know, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular what? 8 by under root 113. Similarly, cos of theta equal to what's coming, base by hypotenuse. What is this? 7 by under root 113. Put these value here and solve. Similarly, cot square theta, second part, cot square theta, it's meaning cot theta into cotangent theta. What's the value? 7 by 8 into 7 by 8, 49 by 64. Yes or no? Understood? Question number 8, exercise 8.1. It's given 3 cotangent of A equal to 4. It's meaning cot of A equal to 4 by 3, or you can say tangent of A equal to inverse of it 3 by 4. Make figure. Angle is what? A here. So A is this, and you know tangent is perpendicular by base. So which is perpendicular? This. So this is what? 3, and this is 4. And what is this? 5. By Pythagoras theorem easily you can find out. 9 plus 16, 25, 5. So this you can write P, Q, R. Check whether this equal to this or not. So you have to tell, you take 1 minus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta. So this is 1 minus what square? 9 by 16, 1 plus 9 by 16 is equal to 16 minus 9 by 16 divided by 16 plus 9 by 16. 7 by 16 by 25 by 16. So what's coming? This 7 by 16 into 16 by 25. Cancel out. 7 by 25. This is the value. Therefore 1 minus tangent square theta, 1 plus tangent square theta is equal to 7 by 25. Now find out value of this part. Which part? Which is given in question number 8. Cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square A minus sin square A. First find out cos A and sin A. What is the cos of A? Cos of A is base by hypotenuse, 4 by 5, and sin of A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So therefore cos square A minus sin square A is equal to, this is 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25 is how much? 25 is your LCM. 16 minus 9 is how much? 7 by 25. What's the value of this? Look one time. This is, you can say, first. This is, you can say, second. From first and second we get 1 minus tan square A, tan square theta, A coming here, sorry for that, A coming here. One minus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Understood? So these both are equal. Now question number 9th, 10th and 11th left. You can try at your home. Tomorrow I can tell. Solve from question number 1 to question number 8 in your rough notebook, plus these examples, and try to solve question number 9, 10 and 11 also, and deposit your notebooks in school till Saturday of mathematics with all work. Thank you all of you.